Hello traders, welcome to today's video. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Whether you are trading this really nice 8-9% bounce we've had over the crypto markets over the past couple of days, or whether you were just taking some well-earned rest time with family, time with friends. I know that's what I was doing. And yeah, I hope you're feeling fresh, ready for what's going to be another great week of trading here on the charts. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. What we're going to do in today's video, we are of course going to look at Friday, because after what was already an amazing week of trading, Friday just capped it off with two I think 4 trades that were just phenomenally good during that day. 2 that were really key trades here that we did have, and a couple of like intra-day scalps that we got within the middle of that before getting what's got to be seen as the trade of the month here. And I think it's going to be pretty hard to beat that. Okay, so at that time when the entire market was panicking, they were scared, price is going to go to 30k, oh my god, we're breaking down out of this head and shoulders pattern. No, we remain calm, we know our levels, we understand Bitcoin and the way that it moves. We took this trade with absolute conviction, and had what is now, where are we? We're at about getting on for 8.5% move up out of that MPOC that was hit on the Friday night. And just perfect, like the timing, the time in which it happened, the way in which it happened. We're going to, of course, cover that before going over what we are expecting over the next couple of days. So yeah, let's just pull up Discord and start to have a look here at basically that Friday. So we can see here Luxury had posted his levels on that Friday morning. These were the levels that he set his alerts at, and MPOC being one of them down there. You can see here again, very similar plan for myself. We were looking for this move up in towards an area of resistance before getting that pullback, and of course that highlighted here by this squiggly line that we did have on the chart. Okay, so move up, grab the liquidity before a move down. The other thing that we did have within that day was this 80% setup that had been in play. So what we were looking at, and we did trade the Asia session overnight here, so we had this really nice wide initial balance with pretty decent volume in it, and that basically just told us that okay, Asia's kind of done here. We're looking for this range to be pretty much flat until we get towards the latter stages of the London session or into the New York session. So that was the plan, and we woke up here kind of late into the London session with that re-acceptance back into the previous day value area low on the charts, and we were then looking up for a move up towards that 50,200 area on of our value area high. So we can see that basically from this chart here. Okay, so here was where we got our acceptance. Okay, and then what happened? We got that move all the way up into our previous day value area high before a rejection. And now we were able to take a couple of scalp trends off of this as well. So we did have our weekly level. We took a quick scalp off of that. And then of course we did take the big short position once we had hit target up here, ready to look for that MPOC to come in right at the end of the day before reversing over the weekend. And that was my exact words. Okay, we're like, let's get this MPOC done before the end of the day, and let's get this reversal underway at the weekend. And what happened? Okay, we can see the move up. You can see we had some like an amazing amount of trap longs up at these highs. People thinking, oh right, we've reversed. This is just, we're not going to grab this liquidity anymore. We've reversed. Everyone's bullish again. No, you trap those longs at the top. You come down. You take out this liquidity. At that point, everyone's saying, okay, swing failure. We're gonna bounce again. Then that move down that happened just at the perfect time. Okay, very much the same as what happened on last Friday. Everyone thinking, oh no, we're going into the end of the day, we're going to close this daily candle, it's going to look awful, which it did. The entire market panicking. But yeah, we were looking for this level. It hit it like bang on midnight. Perfect timing. Bang on midnight that we hit it. Tested it once again, and then off we go. Okay, so taking that trade with conviction, decent size on that trade, and getting both take profits that I was really looking for from this. Okay, so what we were basically looking for was that's going to be a serious trade. We're looking back towards the highs of the range from this, so we had to be aware that we had our golden pocket region coming in around here. But then what happens after you hit those kind of golden pocket regions? You've got this liquidity just above, and we were mainly looking for this daily level after that to be hit. So of course I did take an early take profit on this just to be sure, and then able to come into this daily level before seeing this pullback. And where did that pullback come into? We had again a naked daily point of control right around this area here, and then into our golden pocket here before we are seeing this bounce. So yeah, Friday just being amazing, the weekend just being relatively straightforward, and that brings us into Monday now. So where we stand now. So again, not too much really to look for from this at the moment. There are two very important levels for me. The first of all being that we are right here within, I would like to see this 48,500 area hold. Okay, so as long as we can hold value above that 48,500 area, I would see a move back up towards the highs of this profile here. And basically our weekly open. So 50k around our weekly open again being the main resistance that I do see on the chart for the time being. So if we do see that move back up here, I would be looking for a possible short position to take this back down again. Within that area, we do have a nice little order block. We do, of course, have the resistance, or that what was holding a support then flipped into resistance. We did create this order block around here, so that would be a nice area to take a short position from. To the downside, of course, so if this 48,500 point of control does not hold, then I would be looking for this to roll over and a test of our daily level down here at 47,148.5 if we're going to be exact. So those are really like the two main trades that I'm looking for on Bitcoin at the moment. In terms of the alts, I'm still mainly just trading Bitcoin at the moment. That's what I'm happy to be trading. Those are the altcoins are doing well. So I did update again. We can have a quick look at this. So if I do pull back on Discord, and we can just have a little look at some of the altcoins that I was looking for if we were to get that bounce. So where are we? Again, here's a little update. Of course, we did get that liquidity grab at the highs before coming back down. And yeah. Oh yeah, then I was doing the stream on Friday night as well, wasn't I? I did the stream. We were looking for the rejection off of the VWAP. Now, of course, I did go and chill out after doing that stream, so I didn't take the trade off of VWAP before we came down into MPOC. But we did get that one as well. And then, of course, alerts going off, here we go, and then hitting the MPOC whilst I was chilling out. The dogs weren't particularly impressed by it, but I took the trade, and yeah, that's everything kind of went from there. So yeah, very happy. Everyone's celebrating the trade. I can't even find what the odds were that I was looking at. They're somewhere around here in our swing setup section. Here we go. So FTT, Sol, DOT, and BIT. So they are a few of the altcoins that I am looking at the moment. I'm not going to cover them in this video. I did update the crew on those setups. We did have a nice bounce across the whole market, and we will be updating on those setups again, of course, throughout the rest of the day. So I think that kind of wraps things up for what I do want to talk about. It was basically just Friday night, the weekend, and Bitcoin price action being where it is right now. So yeah, again, please do like and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. I hope it was, because I do just, this is the thing here, it just, yeah, just one of those kind of exercises in understanding your asset. Okay, knowing the levels that you're looking to trade. Stop getting caught up in all of these levels all over your chart with like 40 different fib levels and zones of liquidity like every $5. It's not going to help you. Step back, look at the stuff that really works on these charts, and that's kind of what I want to keep on drilling into people in order to kind of get them profitable on this trading. Yeah, so again, check out our website at tauruscrypto.com if you haven't already seen, or if you're not already part of the community. You can of course join our free Discord community, and we do have the crew section, which is where we do much more in-depth analysis and everything, and where we do take all of those calls and we do make all of those trades together within the community. So go and check that out. Taurus Crypto on Twitter as well. But yeah, really not much else I want to talk about in today's update. So I hope you have a great week. We will of course have more videos coming throughout the week, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers, bye.